everybody. So I have a quick video for you today. It's a Sunday video. I know I don't generally do Sunday videos, but it's also November 1st. So I have my brand new Scrapbooking Store Club kit, and I want to go through the kit and the upgrades and all that fun stuff, right? Okay, so this is the main kit. This is just the basic Bones kit for November. It features this set of 6x12 stickers from One Canoe 2. This is the Willow collection. You know I was excited to see this because One Canoe 2 is one of my very favorite designers. And this is gorgeous. I love this set of stickers. And then we also have a new to me collection, which you know, like that doesn't happen very often, but I didn't buy any of this. So this is Jen Hadfield. Oh, can't read that. This is Jen Hadfield's. This is Family Line. And I'm super excited because I loved this. This is one of those ones that I just didn't get a chance to purchase. And so I'm super duper excited about this. So there's lots and lots of papers here. I'm going to go through each one. This one is called Baking Day. So it has all of these super cute baking icons on this side. And then the other side is just a really simple usable heart pattern if you don't have any baking photos. I'm not sure if I do or not. I don't know. I have no plans for this kit yet. I'm going to sit down and create once I shoot this video. This next one is called Bike Ride. So we have bikes in all different shapes and sizes and colors. And then the back is this diagonal stripe, which I love. And my family doesn't bike, so we're good. This one is called Bits and Pieces. Now this could be super fun to cut apart. It also gives you some really great ideas of some of the things you might want to document with this collection. So things like, I like this that says Let's Stay Home. That would be really nice to cut out and use as a title. Very appropriate right now. We have Game Night. We have Bedtime Stories. We have Sisters. Let's see. There's lots here. Family, Sparkle and Shine, Family Reunion. I feel like those are coming in the next year or two after we can't be around our families for a while. And then the back is just this really pretty green. I think this is one of the ones that I'm going to use a little bit of both because there are a couple of these that I really do want to kind of cut out and use. This one is another one that I think would be super fun to kind of cut out some of these houses and use. I also think this is another one that's really, really good for events and journaling and stories we're telling right now, because a lot of the stories we're telling are stories that are happening inside of our homes. And then the other side is this super cute black and white contrasted paper. I love this. It's so pretty. It is really busy. I'm not going to use a lot of it. So this is another one where I cut it in half, and half of it can be this beautiful black and white floral, and then half of it I can fussy cut for little houses. This one is called Scattered Leaves. Fall! I love it. 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 This is beautiful. Love this paper. I love the other side too, and I even love the branding strip. That branding strip is the bomb. So this is gorgeous. This is going to be one that's going to be hard because I like both sides. This is another fall one. This one's called Fall Time. I love this. Doesn't this remind you? Okay, call me crazy, but I am telling you, this paper reminds me of an older basic gray paper. And I think I have the basic gray paper that I think this looks like. And I am going to pull it out of my stash. And if I find the basic gray paper and it looks like this, I'll show you. Because I really feel like this, I swear this looks almost identical to a basic gray paper that I have in my stash somewhere. And the other side is just this really usable, super fun tone-on-tone mustard polka dot. This one is called Growing Together, and it has all kinds of little gardening icons. So I kind of love this paper because I know that I have gardening stuff here to scrapbook about. My youngest son is growing bonsais. He put flowers in the garden this year. We had tomatoes. Like, we did a lot of gardening stuff this summer. So I definitely know I have stories I can tell. And the other side of this is just these big, long words, which are cute, but I kind of feel like I'm going to be fussy cutting some of these out and using them on a gardening page this month. This next paper is called a Fridge Art. So this side has these kind of like wonky rainbows on it, and then the other side is this gorgeous mint green stripe. I'm sorry if you can hear my dog barking in the background. Sigh. Okay, next up we have Fresh Picked, which is a beautiful floral. It's darker, it's a little busy. I think I might fussy cut some of it, but I also think this other side would be gorgeous for fall pictures, so we'll see how that goes. This one's called Houseplants. This is so cute. I love it. It's so cute. I have no clue what I would use it for, but it's so cute. And then the back is just this stunning, gorgeous tone-on-tone polka dot that will be useful for anything. So these two, the next two, so this is called Sending Love. So this one side of it has these kind of border strips that you could cut apart, which would be awesome because this will allow you to get some more if you just buy the straight, just the kit, right? So if you just buy just the kit, this is what I'm looking at here. You're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sheets of paper. And then you'll get the stickers from Willow. And then these two papers would cut apart super simply to give you some die cuts to go along with your kit. So these will cut into strips and you'll have some 12-inch borders, and you can see here that it has a lot of the different kind of icons that goes with some of those pattern papers we already have in the kit, right? So you can mix these borders with the different papers that go with it. The other side of this is just a really bold black and white stripe. And then this one, which is called Family Life. Again, both of these will cut apart super simply just with a 12 by 12 trimmer. You wouldn't need to like fussy cut stuff, right? But there are lots of little things in here like this smile and some of these other sentiments that would go with some of the designs in the pattern paper. So something just to think about if you're, you know, low on funds, you want like an influx of new stuff, but you don't want to spend a lot. This is a fabulous scrapbook kit for that, scrapbook kit for that. And you would definitely be able to get quite a few layouts just by buying the main kit and then fussy kitting these two papers and having your sticker sheet. So just something to think about. The other side of this is just a polka dot, so super easy to use. And if you did do the cut apart thing and you didn't like something, so for example, things that say like, hello, thank you, my friend, that you know you're not going to use, okay, cut them out, turn them over, and you have a really usable polka dot banner. So anyway, this is a really nice thing. Fitz has decided he needs to bark. My dogs are in a barking mood, I suppose, right now. So I shoved them all out of the room, except for Fitz. All right, next up, upgrade. So if you want a little more embellishments, a little more stuff to play with your kit this month, you can grab the upgrades. For upgrades, we have these Jen Hadfield phrase stickers. There are 99 stickers in here. They're beautiful colors. They say things like grateful heart, love, you are my home, be bold, today, thinking of you. So super usable and fun things. There's 3 sheets of each of the sticker sheets. So there's 3 sheets. They're each the same of the phrase stickers. Then we have these are called puffy dots. So they're like puffy stickers, but they're like little enamel dot shaped kind of. Really cute. All the colors, beautiful colors. And then we have the Willow stamps. They're stamps. These are the acrylic stamps. So for me, I highly recommend that you use these with a Misty, but you don't have to. Just know that you're not going to get like the most amazing imprint. Just because that is the nature of acrylic stamps. But I'm definitely going to be playing with these. I think they will be fun. I think they have lots of really nice sentiments. I'm actually super excited to go ahead and play with these because I don't have them. And this one right here, I'm super excited to play with this one. That's going to be fun. I love that quote. So, okay. That is the Scrapbooking Store Club kits for November. I will leave links down below. The links are affiliate links which means it doesn't cost you any more to use them, but it does help me to support my channel. All right, you guys have a fabulous day. I'm gonna get to cutting and gluing and see where it takes me, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.